Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Adrian Velasquez with Chiropractic, and today I'm with Jackie, who is experiencing, unfortunately, some shoulder pain. So if you can just describe to us what you've been experiencing, what you've been feeling, so that we can let the audience know.
Great. So pain here in my shoulder, and it also radiates to back here.
Okay.
Burning sensation when I'm sitting in a position for too long,
Okay.
and I also feel it radiating up to my neck.
Okay.
More
Okay,
burning.
so if you heard, she said when she's sitting, and I want to really make light of that because it's oftentimes when we are sitting at a computer, looking at our cell phones or hunched over a laptop, that can easily change our posture, which begins to affect different extremities like the shoulder, even down to the elbow and to the wrist. So what we're going to do today is we're going to actually check for a subluxation, a misalignment in the shoulder, and we're also going to check the neck because the nerve roots in the neck actually feed the shoulder and can actually affect mobility. So we want to make sure that those are clear of any stress on the nerve system, which could be affecting range of motion, pain, discomfort that she's experiencing. So I'm going to have you stand up for me, Jackie. We're going to check the shoulder first. So I'm going to have you place your hands on your hips. If you can put your left foot forward so you got a good, nice stance and base of things. And what I'm going to do is do some motion palpation. And what I can feel is this is restricted in through this area here. So what I want you to do, Jackie, is I want you to resist me from bringing your elbow this way, okay? So we're gonna fight that, and very good. So oftentimes the shoulder can actually subluxate anterior and inferior. So what we did is we placed that posteriorly. So I'm gonna have you lay on your back now so we can check your neck so that we can see if there's any stress at the mid-cervical area at C5 that can actually affect that shoulder as well. Very good, and just drop your shoulder and relax. Perfect. And as simple as that, friends, whenever we actually look at the root cause of what's contributing to poor function, poor mobility, aches, pains, and discomfort, we can actually begin to take that stress off to allow our body to heal and function like it's supposed to. Power's on.